So hi, I'm Tad from TFix, and today I would like to introduce a new tool that we have created for our clients and customers. The tool is actually on our website. It's in resources, free ITAD tools and calculators, and it's called Device Value Checker. So it allows you to snap a few photos and get an instant resale value score, which also gives you a damage check and payout estimate. To use this tool, all you have to do is upload a few pictures of the device. These pictures have to be isolated, so there can only be one device in the picture. And then you need to answer two simple questions. Does it power on? And if the charger is included. So once you do that, you click Check My Device. And what it does in the background, it sends all of these pictures to AI, which analyzes and determines what kind of device it is. It assesses the damage, and then it goes in the background to all the available listings and sale history of that particular device, and it gathers all of that data from the markets, and it gives you an assessment. There you go. So it's finished it. We have a score, which is 45 resale value score. The score is actually a good estimation and a good sort of like a value to give to yourself if you have multiple devices that you would like to recycle. And let's say you can say, okay, a device with a resale value of less than 70 is not actually worth to keep for resale, and it can be diverted directly to recycling instead of trying to resell it. Gives you a market demand based on the value of 100, a condition based on the value of 100, resale value, and completeness. So as we can see, the AI has identified this device as Lenovo Yoga Tab. It estimated resale value, that means the device can be sold on the open market between 15 and 25 pounds. And you could actually receive £3 for device. We'll get to that in a minute. And the market demand is actually low, so it means if we would like to sell this device, it would actually take probably 6 months or more to sell it. So the seller has to keep it in storage for at least 6 months based on the market demand in order to sell it. So let's go through the estimate and how the estimate is calculated step by step. So if the device sells for £20, the seller needs to take a 20% VAT hit, which leaves the amount that's received at £17. Then we need to take off platform selling and advertising fees, which is around 24%. We need to take off postage and shipping fees. In our situation, we charge £8.50 for every single device, and that leaves you with £4. And we keep 30% of the actual value left, which we would keep in this situation £1, and you would receive £3. So let's talk about the 30%. The 30% that we keep covers our efforts to list it for sale, to do the cleaning and testing, to store it in our warehouse until it actually sells, the advertising, answering customer questions, packaging it, and dealing with the actual returns if the customer decides to return the item. All right, we also have a damage assessment here, which in this situation it's good. The tablet powers on, but it's still priced as untested. And we have a little AI summary and confidence here. So this tool gives you an opportunity to grasp a value of the actual device and how much you can expect to get back from the actual reseller or an ITAD recycler if you think that the device is actually worth the value. So it just puts you in a position and it gives you the data so you can have more knowledge in order to make a more educated decision.